The herb pictured here is Rosmarinus officinalis. And now as we move into herbs, one thing that you really need to keep in mind is if you want to become good at identifying herbs, you need to go find them and smell them. Smelling an herb is the easiest way to tell it from other herbs, and in some cases, smelling vegetable foliage is going to help you too. For example, tomato leaves have quite a distinctive foliage. So go find these plants in real life and smell them. It's really going to make a difference. Unfortunately, I can't include smell on your test though. Sorry. Rosemary can get 4 to 5 feet tall if grown outside, and it has a pretty upright, almost columnar growth form. Now there are more herbaceous rosemaries that are sold for culinary uses, and you can keep them inside and they'll never get this big, but a lot of rosemary is cold hardy. You can grow it outside and it will get large as shown in the picture here. Now rosemary is in the mint family, as many of our herbs are. The mint family typically has square stems. Some of these species are going to have more square stems than other, but they're also going to have opposite leaf arrangement, and they're going to have flowers with zygomorphic symmetry, two-lipped flowers, bilabiate flowers. So here you can see a stem of rosemary, again, fairly square when you feel it, opposite leaf arrangement. If you look closely at the leaves, they are sessile, they have no petiole, and they're going to be green on top and white on the bottom. They're white on the bottom because they're covered with a tomentose mat of hairs. So this will be different from lavender, which a lot of people confuse with rosemary. Aside from the fact that they smell totally different, rosemary is green on the top of the leaf, white on the underside. Lavender leaves are going to be tomentose and whitish all over the leaf. Here you can see some flowers of rosemary. Again, they have zygomorphic symmetry. They are bilabiate, and they're typically going to be purple, blue, or white in color. And here you can see just another example of that. The flowers are borne in the axils of the leaves, so axillary flowers, and they tend to be whorled around the stem. So that concludes our discussion of rosemary or Rosmarinus officinalis.